Now we're going to make this adorable Mardi Gras bow, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to grab a piece that's long enough that this could be a wreath bow, so I'm going to make it long enough so I could tie it around a wreath if I felt like it. So I'm just going to lay this down into my Bowdabra. I folded it in half and I'm just tucking the end underneath so they stay out of my way. For those of you who, then what I'm going to do is take this and we're just going to scrunch our mesh down into the Bowdabra. So all I'm doing is going down the center of my mesh and just scrunching it into my Bowdabra. And I'm just going to curl the end underneath so that there's no there's no fraying that you'll see. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm Sandy Sandler. I'm the creator of the Bowdabra. And now I'm going to take, we've already dovetailed the end, and we're going to make shoelace bows. So we're just going to fold this over, make a loop with the tail going down, and another loop with the tail going down. So it's super simple. And it's funny, I noticed myself saying that. I always say it's super simple, but that's just because it is. So I'm going to take the right side of the ribbon, and I'm going to lay that down into my Bowdabra. I'm going to fold this over. I'm going to make my loops the same size as the loops that are underneath. I'm going to fold it over, and I'm just going to give everything a good scrunch with my wand, and take my twinkle ribbon. And again, I'm going to put the wrong side of the ribbon down. I'm just going to fold this over, and I'm making my loops the same length. Fold that over, fold this over here, and again, oh whoops, it looks like that twisted. I didn't want that to happen. And so now I'm just going to fold that over and take my wand again and give everything a good scrunch. The mesh wants to push everything up. And then I'm going to take my scrunchy ribbon, and we're going to make a scrunchy bow for the center. And we're just going to scrunch this down in here. So if you want the Bowdabra, you can purchase it at Amazon.com or on Bowdabra.com or at Hobby Lobby. And we're just going to push everything down. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it out from here, and pull this up, pull it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm just going to tie a knot, and we will double knot it. And now I'm just going to shape my loops, so I'm just going to pull them apart, bring my tails down, bring these tails down here. And this is sort of the new style and trend for 2026, is to have the bows with not as much ribbon, but we have, it looks like you're using a lot more ribbon, and there's fewer loops, so it makes a big bow, but it's not nearly as much ribbon as normally. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.